Hi everyone! Today, we will demonstrating the correct procedure for using the NFC sticker on our equipment. For the emergency escape breathing device, EEBD, the NFC sticker is placed at this location. Meanwhile, for the gas detector, the NFC sticker is located behind the serial number sticker. For iPhone users, please place the top part of your iPhone near the NFC sticker, ensuring that the device is positioned correctly. Once detected, an NFC notification will appear. Tap the notification to access detailed information, including certificate details, model and serial number, calibration date, expiry date, and cylinder number. You may also view the certificate in PDF format by selecting the green button. For Android users, before scanning, ensure that NFC is enabled on your device. First, open the Settings application. Second, search for NFC. Third, activate the NFC function. Once NFC is turned on, position your phone near the NFC sticker as shown. A notification will appear. Tap it to view all relevant equipment details, including the PDF certificate. Next, we will demonstrate the scanning process for the EEBD. Simply place your device near the NFC sticker. Tap the notification once it appears, and the relevant equipment information will be displayed. Thank you for watching!